Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PS5 before selling it. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sell your PS5. How do you actually go ahead and restore it to its default settings? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says Settings. Next, you want to click on System, which is located right over here. Afterwards, you want to click on System Software. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Reset Options. Now, once you click on Reset Options, you're going to have three options here. You want to go ahead and click on Restore Default Settings. So what this is going to do is that it's going to restore your PS5 to its original settings as if you just got it out of the box. So this is perfect for when you're trying to resell it, just because all your data, the original downloads are going to be onto your PS5 as if it were brand new. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your PS5 before selling it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.